Welcome to Math Tutorials. In this video, we are solving every question of exercise 4.2 of Chapter 4, Determinants, from the NCERT Mathematics textbook for Class 12, Part 1. Exercise 4.2 applies determinants to geometry, areas of triangles, collinear points, unknown vertices from a given area, and equations of lines. 5 questions. Question 1. The area of a triangle from coordinates is half the absolute value of the vertex determinant. 3 triangles to measure. The formula, written as a determinant. Part 1, substitute the 3 vertices, every term written. Part 2, the same substitution. Part 3, careful with the signs. Question 2. 3 points are collinear exactly when the triangle they form has 0 area. So we compute the area determinant and watch it vanish. Substitute the 3 points into the area expression, every difference written. Each bracket simplifies. C minus B, a minus C, and B minus A. Expand, a C minus a B plus a B minus BC plus BC minus a C, everything cancels in pairs. 0 area, collinear. Question 3 in reverse. The area is known, a vertex is not. Remember the area formula carries an absolute value, expect 2 answers. 2 triangles, each with 1 unknown coordinate k. Part 1, substitute and simplify inside the absolute value. So 8 minus 2k is plus or minus 8, giving k equals 0 or k equals 8. Part 2, substitute the second set of vertices. The same equation appears. K equals 0 or 8 again. Question 4. A moving point xy is on the line through 2 fixed points exactly when the 3 are collinear, a 0 determinant. Part 1, set the collinearity determinant of xy with the 2 points to 0, expanding fully. That is minus 4x plus 2y equals 0, the line y equals 2x. Part 2, the same construction. Minus 2x plus 6y equals 0, the line x equals 3y. The final question, 1 unknown vertex, a fixed area, and the absolute value promising 2 answers. Substitute into the area formula, every term written. So 50 minus 10k is plus or minus 70. The plus case gives k equals minus 2, the minus case gives k equals 12. Both are valid. That completes exercise 4.2. That completes all 5 questions of exercise 4.2. In the next video, we will take up exercise 4.3 on minors and cofactors. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, do like it, subscribe to Math Tutorials, and share it with your friends.